first one we'll look at is this line up here where we've got some spent money that's come through our bank feed for the Truxton property management, and it's been matched up to this bill that's in the system for the same amount and to the same supplier, and it's on the same date there, you can see as well. So because that is matched, just like when we did our invoices, you can just go ahead and click OK, assuming that that's actually correct. So we'll do that. And then if we go over into bills in the menu and we go to paid, and it's just down here, this one here on the 16th of July. Okay, and we can see there that there's the payment there down the bottom, so there's nothing due. So Xero matched that one up for us, and we just went ahead and finished off the reconciliation by pressing OK. So I'll just do it one where we actually create the bill as well, just so we can see the process a little better. And the one that I'll use is actually just over on the second page. So it's this one here for ACL conferences for £85. So that looks like one that we would probably get a bill for.